Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to channel for everything interior design. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
absolutely hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see a little bit more, don't forget to check out one of these videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.